What to wear to ballroom dance class, beginner's guide. So, you have just enrolled in a ballroom dancing lesson. It is your first time to join a dance class, and some questions probably keep spinning around in your mind. Will you be able to keep up? Who will be your dancing partner? Is the instructor nice? In order to be comfortable with a new hobby, you also need to know what to wear to your dance class. First impressions matter, but comfort comes first before looking good. It is also worth considering that ballroom dancing can be challenging, especially if you are a newbie. So, it is important to come in proper attire so you will not only perform satisfactorily but make a good first impression to your instructor and dance classmates too. No matter what kind of dance techniques you are going to study, it is important for both men and women to wear lightweight clothes that are comfortable and breathable. These clothes should sway along with your moves without making you feel hot. When it comes to shoes, it is appropriate to choose the kinds that easily slide around. It's best that they securely attach to your feet too so they will not come off when you're on the moves. Depending on the time of year and event, the attire for men should support learning. On the cold days, men can wear a light sweater or layer that can be easily removed as you warm up and cool down during the ballroom class. Avoid wearing heavy clothes as they tend to get hot while you dance. During private or studio dance lessons, men can wear shorts. They don't have to wear a suit and tie combo because it is too formal, and the aim is to practice. However, if you plan on dancing on a night out or during a special occasion, more formal attire is required. The general ballroom attire for women is a flared dress or skirt. Fitted slacks paired with a blouse is also appropriate. Avoid wearing clothes that reveal too much skin while dancing. It is also recommended to avoid A-line skirts, V-neck blouses, and other restrictive clothes. Aside from comfort, you also need to consider looking respectable while you dance. On your first ballroom lesson and succeeding sessions, wear shoes that will be comfortable when you stand all night or move around. However, sneakers and rubber shoes are not acceptable. Wear shoes that will be securely attached to your feet. The heel, if any, should be securely attached to the shoes. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit like and share with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.